Allergies can be a major source of discomfort and inconvenience for many people. Sneezing, itching, watery eyes, and a stuffy nose are just some of the symptoms that can make life miserable. While there are many over-the-counter and prescription medications available to help manage allergy symptoms, some people are turning to natural remedies like apple cider vinegar as a potential solution. In this video, we'll take a closer look at apple cider vinegar and its potential benefits for allergies. Apple cider vinegar is a type of vinegar that is made from fermented apples. It has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for a variety of health issues, including allergies. Apple cider vinegar contains acetic acid, which gives it its distinctive sour taste, as well as a range of other beneficial compounds like antioxidants, amino acids, and probiotics. While there is limited scientific research on the use of apple cider vinegar for allergies specifically, there is some evidence to suggest that it may help. Here are a few ways that apple cider vinegar may be able to help alleviate allergy symptoms. Reduces inflammation. Apple cider vinegar has anti-inflammatory properties that may help reduce inflammation in the body. Inflammation is a key contributor to many allergy symptoms, so reducing inflammation could help alleviate symptoms like nasal congestion and itching. Boosts immune system. Apple cider vinegar contains probiotics, which are beneficial bacteria that can help boost your immune system. A strong immune system can better defend against allergens, potentially reducing the severity of allergy symptoms. Natural antihistamine. Histamines are chemicals that are released by the body in response to allergens, and they are responsible for many of the symptoms associated with allergies. Apple cider vinegar has been shown to have antihistamine properties, which means it may be able to counteract the effects of histamines in the body. If you're interested in using apple cider vinegar to help manage your allergies, here are a few ways to incorporate it into your routine. Drink it. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar to a glass of water and drink it first thing in the morning. You can also add a little honey or lemon juice to make it more palatable. Inhale it. Add a few tablespoons of apple cider vinegar to a bowl of hot water and inhale the steam. This can help open up your sinuses and alleviate nasal congestion. Apply it topically. Mix apple cider vinegar with water and apply it to your skin using a cotton ball. This can help alleviate itching and skin irritation associated with allergies. While apple cider vinegar is generally considered safe for most people, it's important to use it properly and in moderation. Here are a few precautions to keep in mind. Dilute it. Never apply undiluted apple cider vinegar directly to your skin, as it can be very acidic and cause skin irritation. Always dilute it with water before use. Talk to your doctor. If you have a history of allergies or other health conditions, it's always a good idea to talk to your doctor before trying any new remedies, including apple cider vinegar. Don't overdo it. While apple cider vinegar can be beneficial, it's important not to overdo it. Excessive consumption can lead to stomach upset and other health issues. While there is limited scientific research on the use of apple cider vinegar for allergies specifically, there is some evidence to suggest that it may be able to help alleviate symptoms. If you want more apple cider vinegar information, read the description down below, or watch this video on the right.